tapioca with crushed graham. In a mixing bowl, put the all-purpose cream, and sweetened condensed creamer. Combined well. Next, add the cooked tapioca pearls. Just follow the cooking directions from the packaging on how to cook the tapioca pearls. And white nata de coco. Mix it well. Add on the crushed graham. Mix thoroughly. Transfer to a container and chill for about 1 hour. After, divide into serving glasses and decorate your own design. Enjoy your mango tapioca with crushed graham.
Do you like it? Make this button blue! So delicious! Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow and like us on Instagram and Facebook at Enjoyable TV for new posts. Para happy you, happy me, happy tayo! Salamat! Thank you for watching!